Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khalif Rafi Al-Farabi from 9B.
And my name is Rasham Aides Ahmad and I'm from 9B. So today we have made a project about extracting the oil from the lemongrass. And in order to do that, we used a method called distillation. And the distillation has many apparatuses. One of the apparatuses are the flask, condenser, and many more. So we have made this because we have seen that there are some people in this school that have gone bitten by mosquitoes.
So what we have seen here, that several students got their disease or illnesses by one of the creatures called Aides Aegypti that caused them several problems. So here we're gonna solve it. We're gonna make lemongrass essential oil, simply called Leo.